Assalamu alaikum viewer. Today my lecture Kanun-e Shahadat 1984 established. Today I discuss about the how for the under the circumstances and for the what purposes and the previous judgments relevant, what kind of judgments are bar around of the suit. So the bar of the second suit, I discuss about the Kanun-e Shahadat 1984 established. So, introductions. The Kanun-e Shahadat 1984 established under Article 54 to 59 Kanun-e Shahadat order deal which relevant judgments of court of justice. So previous judgment relevant to bar of second suit or trial. Sorry, a final judgment order degree of a competent court in the exercise of probate matrimonial admiralty or insolvency jurisdiction which confer upon or taken away from any legal character or which declare any person to be essential to any such character or to essentials to any specified thing, not as against any specified person, but absolutely is relevant when the existence of any such legal character or the title of any such persons to such things. Relevant Article 56. Relevancy and effect of judgments order degree other those mentions in Article 55. Judgment order or degree other than those mentioned in Article 55 are relevant if they are relevant to matter of the public nature, relevant to the inquiry, Article 56. So the judgment etc other than those mentioned in Article 54 to be when relevant judgment orders or degree other than those mentioned Article 54, Article 55, Article 56 are relevant unless the extents of such judgments order to degree and fact in the fact in issue or is relevant under some other provision of the order Article 57. So according to the case, Atta Muhammad was stated 1985 SCMR 181. The basic principles of the Article 57 is that in a trial judgment order and degree etc recorded in other cases are judgment wholly irrelevant Article 54, Article 56, Kanun-e-Shahadat 1984, the order. Article 54, 56, however, provide exception to the general rule, indicate circumstances in which judgment, order and decree etc. in other cases shall be relevant. For example, when they bar a subsequent trial on the principles of the res judicata, are the principles of atri facis acute and autri fois convire. The convict of this they relate to matter of public nature, the extensions of the right of the way or general customs and uses. The latter portions of Article 57, after laying down the general principle, maintain the further exception to the threat to provided the period judgment of the order and shall be relevant unless the extensions of the such judgment in the fact is issue. The fact in issue or the its extensive relevant under the same other the provisions of the Kanun-e-Shahadat order 1984. 5. Conclusion. The fraud of the conclusion in the obtained judgments and incompetency of the court may be proved. So any party to a suit other proceeding may show that any judgment, order or decree which is relevant under Article 54, Article 56, Article 57 and which have been proved by a observed party while delivered by a court not competent to deliver it or was obtained by the fraud of collections, Article 54. Next lecture inshallah will come. Please subscribe to my channel Legal Talk Network, Justice for Everyone, Advocate Ishtaq Chaudhary. Thank you so much. Pakistan Zindabad.